Tell me a joke about Apple Watch.
How does an Apple Watch owner know that it's midday? It's already run out of battery.
WatchOS 27 is finally here, and this update brings mainly one big feature, Siri AI. So now you can have access to new Siri right on your Apple Watch, right on your wrist. And in this video, I'll show it to you.
Your next flight is Wizz Air Flight W6 2072 from Nice to Krakow on Monday, July 13th, 2026, departing at 9:20 p.m.
So WatchOS 27 is a very minor update. The biggest feature is of course the new Siri app and the new app grid view. Besides that, there are not so many things to talk about. And of course, you get this new Siri AI animation and new Siri AI
I'm doing
voice.
well. Thanks for asking. How can I help you today?
When you go to settings, scroll down, you'll be able to find the new Siri icon logo. If you tap on it, you'll see it's the same menu, literally the same thing, but you get a new Siri icon logo, which means new Siri AI is available on this Apple Watch. This is my Apple Watch Ultra 2, which supports iOS 27, so it also gets Siri AI. So since Siri AI is the only big change in WatchOS 27, let's focus our attention on this feature in this video. Siri AI was really impressive on my iPhone and on my iPad, but how it holds on my Apple Watch? Well, let's find out. When is my next trip? It takes a couple of seconds to process your request, it uses your personal context and it gives you the answer.
Your next trip is a stay at the Fantastic Inn in Krakow, Poland, starting on Monday, July 13th, 2026.
What is the flight time? So finally, Siri is getting more intelligent even on your Apple Watch, and you can continue your conversation using the natural language.
Your flight to Krakow, Wizz Air W6 2072, is scheduled to depart at 9:20 p.m. and arrive at 11:30 p.m. on Monday, July 13th, 2026.
Tell me a joke about Apple Watch.
How does an Apple Watch owner know that it's midday? It's already run out of battery.
Apple Watch battery saving tips.
To save battery on your Apple Watch, the most effective method is to use low power mode, which reduces the power consumption of the device. You can also adjust several settings to extend battery life. It also slows down Siri and background app. Here are several ways to conserve your Apple Watch's battery. Use low power mode. This mode disables the always on display. Turn background off. You can enable it from the display control center by disabling the state 10 measurement feeds.
Open messages. What is the best way to go from Monaco to the airport? The fastest way.
The fastest way to get from Monaco to Nice Côte d'Azur Airport is by helicopter, which takes about 7 minutes. If you prefer ground transportation, driving or taking a taxi takes around 26 to 30 minutes depending on traffic, while a direct train takes about 35 minutes.
I'm really positively surprised with Siri AI on my Apple Watch Ultra 2. Of course, it's still in beta, of course, it's still a little bit laggy, but I mean, it works, and it works surprisingly well. You can even have the same Siri interface on your Apple Watch. Of course, the screen is tiny, but it works, guys. What is the cost of such transfer by helicopter?
A helicopter transfer from Monaco to Nice Airport typically starts around €160, with some estimates ranging up to €210 €10 depending on the provider and season.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Best Italian restaurants in Monaco.
Some of the top-rated Italian restaurants in Monaco include Rampoldi, Cafe Milano, and Reginola.
I think Siri AI will be very useful on your Apple Watch because you can get access to it right on your wrist and it's very handy. It's like a James Bond feature. Beef Bar Monaco opening hours. With Siri AI, I no longer need my iPhone. I can ask any question on my Apple Watch.
Beef Bar in Monaco is open from 12 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. and from 8 o'clock p.m. to 11 p.m. on Mondays through Thursdays and on Sundays. On Fridays and Saturdays, it is open from 12 p.m. to 2:30 p.m. and from 8 p.m. to 11:30 p.m.
What happened in Monaco last week? I'm just wondering if Siri AI is up to date with current news events.
Last week in Monaco, an explosion at a residential building injured 3 people, reportedly targeting a Ukrainian tycoon.
Honestly, I'm impressed because it works exactly as intended. You have this tiny computer on your wrist, you can ask any question even based on your personal context. She will pull out the information out of your messages, email, and she will give you an answer, basically like on iPhone. How many steps did I walk today? Ironically, Siri AI cannot provide me information about my health and data collected by my Apple Watch, but keep in mind that it's still in beta. Generate an image of beautiful sky. Apparently, you can even generate images on your Apple Watch, and it looks like it's working. 22% completed, 51% completed. Okay, let's wait and see what will happen. I think it's not using the power of Apple Watch, it's using, of course, the cloud power, but technically you can generate images right on your Apple Watch. Why? I don't know, but you can do that.
Here is the image of a beautiful sky you requested. I'm having problems reaching your personal device. Check that it's powered on.
Guys, thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section if you will be using Siri AI on your Apple Watch, if you're hyped about this new feature, or you're waiting for the next Apple Watch. Thanks again for watching and have a nice day. Peace.